Alright, it is done compiling. We're back, and now we can see that there are 20 issues at the moment. We're gonna be fixing all of them. Let's start with the first issue, get class, it seems. Seems like whenever we have a get class function, it prints out an error, and that is a due to an update that Trinity Core made, where they don't use get class with small case g, they use get class with capital G, and that fixed the issue. Now, whenever we see get class like that, we will know that we need to actually just uppercase the G, and that should be it. Now, spell ID, I'm pretty sure it has been changed into spell ID, just the ID, but we will see in a sec. Instead of spell ID, gonna remove that. Gonna use the arrow, and we're gonna see that it says here spell ID with capital I and capital D instead of just capital I. So that is another fix we're gonna be implementing. Then we have get race, same with get class, capital G, and here again capital G, capital G. Yeah, it goes through all over the script. So just you know what, let's just find a quick way to do that. I selected this, I could press Control F, and then I use the arrow down here, and whenever I see get race, I want to do get race like that. So I'm gonna hit enter multiple times, and you can see that it replaces everything for me. And then I can press escape or press X. And yeah, that is also done. Now we see that within TemplateNPC.cpp, we have a few additional errors. They are marked in here with the red mark. Let's do get class like that again. Gossip hello, no override. Gonna need to remove the override, it seems. It used to work with override, now it does not. It's always changing. It's always changing. Let's find another error now. Why is this in brackets? Oh, okay. On gossip select, that too does not require override as far as I know. And we have this last one, which is the entire functionality of the commands. All right. Let's see how we can actually solve it. Let's go into chat command, because this one I'm not too sure as well. I haven't been working with commands for too long. You can see the command builder. Maybe it's in here. Yes, it is. All right, we have the handler, then we have help, permissions, and then console, allow or disallow. We're gonna copy this actually. Gonna select all of this. Let's do copy. Gonna close this. Gonna go back in here, and we're gonna put that down as a note. Actually, let's do it like that. Like that. All right, now we have the handler, which is this. We can see that it says handle. This is like the handler. All right, we have the handler, have the help. Actually, give me a sec. All right, we have the command itself. Then we have the handler, which is this. And then we have the RBAC permissions, which will be RBAC. And then let's just do this for now. Gonna be adding a brand new one. Let's do all the custom permissions 1000 and above. So let's do RBAC NPC template reload command. And I press tab to do a long space, sort of speaking, so I can match it. This will be case 1000. Gonna hit save, and then we're gonna select it as should autocomplete at some point. Sometimes it just doesn't want to work. Oh no. Template. Yep, there you go. And then we have the console, if it's allowed within the console or not. So let's go back into the console. Trinity chat commands. I simply take it from this note. Console. Yes or no. I want it to be yes. I want it to be able to be used within the console, and that should be done. So let's copy this, because this is a subcommand. Subcommand meaning you need to type TemplateNPC and then space, and then the reload command will actually do what it says here. But first we need TemplateNPC. We needed to know that this is the main directory of the commands, and this is the subdirectory. So we're gonna go in here, gonna paste it. TemplateNPC. And we're gonna go into this here and implement this. I think it will work. Gonna need to see in a second. Yeah, no, actually, no, we don't need this. Can do it just like that, and it will work just fine. We will see in a sec if it actually works or not. So now, when this is in, gonna need to compile it, but before we do, we need to make sure that the creature is actually implemented in the database. We will need to go into the to the gossip system, the onGossip hello. There you go, this one. Now right above it, we have the creature script name. This is the actual name. Gonna need to copy it. Gonna need to go into the database. And we're gonna go into creature template. We need a new creature. Hit F5 just to see if we have anything to copy from. Seems like we don't. All right. So we will go into this one. Gonna hit let's do. I'm just gonna use this ID for now. Gonna do TemplateNPC. This will be the name. Now we copy everything as it is. Like, that doesn't really matter too much what the icon name is and what the creature display is, as long as we have a few very important factors. This is the faction and the script name, which are these two. So let's go back into the faction thing. The faction needs to be 35. Why 35? Faction 35 is actually how we define the creature to be friendly. We will see that in a sec. Trinity core creature template. And I'm gonna press, gonna search. We use Wrath of the Lich King. We're gonna go into faction. Faction 35. No, this is not the one I need. Faction template. Friendly. That too is not what I need. This is what I need. Faction 35 is friendly to everyone. You can see all the other factions. Mainly for bosses, I use 14. This is a monster. It's aggressive towards everyone. And this is friendly. This is friendly for everyone. you can obviously see what here is friendly for alliance and then friendly for the horde, and it will attack the opposite faction. Like the more expansion wise you go, like the higher the expansion is, the more in depth it will be, because Mist of Pandaria has a neutral faction where you cannot be like just an alliance, just a horde or like a creature. But yeah, this is not what we are here to focus on. So faction is 35. And then at the end, right there, we have script name. By default, it will be empty, which is fine, but we need to implement there the script name that we just took from the actual script itself, which is TemplateNPC. We can change it to be whatever we want, and that will be fine, as long as we copy it and it is case sensitive. So we prefer to copy it as it is right now from the script in accuracy. So I'm gonna paste it and I'm gonna press up, save it. When we can see that the query has been inserted, insert into, and then it does all the other stuff. So yeah, gonna go ahead and compile these changes, and then we're gonna test it in game, see if it actually works or not. One thing I forgot to mention is the fact that we need the NPC flag to be 1 as well. 1 stands for gossip. That's the thing I forgot to cover. Let's go and show you guys where exactly that is being shown within the core. Let's go into Trinity Core NPC flags. There we go. This is the one that we need. Decimal is what you're looking for. Gossip, meaning that it will have the ability to benefit from this gossip system. Like on Gossip Hello, this is like the whole interaction with the creature. It works in a way where if you want the creature to be a gossip and a quest giver, you're going to need to take 1 plus 2. That means that the the flag can be 3, and it will include 1 and 2 in it. And if you want it to be a trainer as well, you're going to need to add the 3 into the 16, then you have 19. It will be a gossip, it will be a quest giver, and it will be a trainer. This is how it works.